Well, okay. Allergy season is finally here, so I could be doing a lot more of these sneeze videos.